feeling stuck or confused about manifestation? Stop making this common mistake. I'm going to reveal to you a simple yet effective way to improve your self-concept and manifest better outcomes for your life by leveraging guided affirmation tapes. And because I know you're eager to start seeing results, if you comment down the word ready, I'll go ahead and share with you my manifestation secrets guide that is going to reveal to you what manifestation really is and how to use it to work for you instead of against you. For those of you who don't know me, hi, my name is May and I'm your favorite manifestation coach. I transform my life through self-concept work and I've helped hundreds of women do the same. I am committed to helping ambitious women just like you step into the 2.0 version of yourself so you can manifest a life that you actually love. So in the next few minutes, get ready to unlock a powerful way to improve your self-concept with the least amount of effort. This is going to help you manifest all of your desires on autopilot. Let's dive in deeper to the concept of guided sleep meditations. I love them. They are an easy way to help you improve your self-concept and reprogram your subconscious mind while you sleep. They help you rewire your negative beliefs, improve self-confidence, and accelerate your manifestation. The key is consistency. Make it a part of your nightly routine. I go to YouTube and I pick one sleep affirmation and self-concept affirmation that aligns with my goals. If you're looking for more love, if you're looking for more wealth, there's a plethora of them on YouTube. I want you to remember that you are powerful and you are capable of achieving all of your personal and professional dreams. Start manifesting today and pick one affirmation tape that you can commit to listening to every night for 30 days. Remember, if you comment down below ready, I'll go ahead and send you my manifestation secrets guide that's going to walk you through what manifestation really is and how to use it to work for you instead of against you. Until next time.